So today I'm going to talk to you about ways that you can meet part of our build staff, our sales staff, see one of our houses under construction, or find out a little bit more about the process of building a home with America's Home Place. Hi, my name is Mark Roberts, and I'm the General Manager of the Gainesville, Georgia location of America's Home Place. Some of the events that we offer are Meet the Builder, Land Buying Seminar, Construction Open House, or Meet the Lender. These events are important because it gives you an opportunity to touch and feel our finished product as well as meet the people that are actually building your home. So a Meet the Builder event is an opportunity to come into one of our showrooms and meet the project managers, the sales staff, and the build staff that are going to be involved with the construction of the home. Gives you a chance to maybe meet the builder that's in your particular area, as well as find out some information about our process. Here in the Gainesville location, we like to set up stations throughout our showroom where customers can come and ask specific questions that they're interested in. So with a Meet the Lender event, you're going to get to sit down with lenders from different institutions and find out what kind of packages they offer for financing your home. A construction loan is different from a conventional mortgage, so you're going to want to talk to your lender and find out what they have to offer and see what's going to be the best deal for you in the long run. You can also sit down with a lender and get pre-approved right on the spot to help you better make a decision with your dream home. If you happen to miss a Meet the Lender event, we often have lenders that attend our other open houses as well. So typically a construction open house is a house that's 99 to 100% complete, and it gives our customers an opportunity to come in, see the quality of the materials that we use, as well as ask questions about, is this a standard feature? We can show them what's been upgraded in the home, as well as what changes they've made to the floor plan. Typically, our customers have a great experience when they come to one of these events. They're very appreciative of being able to come in and actually see a finished product. This event is a great time to discuss with the build team any unique circumstances or questions you may have about building your dream home. If you think of something, write it down and bring it with you, as well as any documentation you may have that's specific to your property or the home you're interested in. Even going so far as to look at the floor plans on our website and picking out a few favorites that you can then speak to a member of the sales team about while you're at the event. And then we also have land buying seminars where you can find out what the process is like to get your own land to start building a dream home. When we have a land buying seminar, we can let them know what they need to look for in a piece of property, what kind of questions they need to ask, and what paperwork they need to bring to us when we start looking at it with them. Sometimes we may even have a realtor on site to help you locate that dream piece of property. Whether you have a question about floor plans, standard features, picking out a lot, what goes into building a home, we'd love to see you at one of our events or stop by and see us in our showrooms, and we can answer any questions you have about the process and what it takes to make your dream become a reality. The best way to keep up and follow our events is to either go to our website at americashomeplace.com and click on the events tab at the top, or check us out on social media. If you want to learn more, feel free to check us out at americashomeplace.com, and don't forget to like and subscribe.